Hey guys, Golden Diaper here, and I'm just gonna mount my power supply into my case. This is part 1 of my build series. This will just be mounting the power supply. Next will be the CPU and the motherboard, and then etc, etc. So this case is a HalfX NVIDIA edition. This is my first build ever. And I am a bit of a noob. But I should be alright, not that hard. Pretty damn easy actually. Okay. It's really just a matter of sticking it in there and screwing it in. It's not that hard. Alright, there's 2 screws. And then the last one. Last screw. There we go. There's the power supply mounted. Pretty good. Very nice. Pretty easy. This case is a HalfX NVIDIA edition, by the way, if you haven't seen my other video. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll just route the cables through there, after the video. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more content. Bye.